Start number 2 engine. Starting 2. Oil pressure.
Dublin ground 834 taxi to 834 taxi to 8 Alpha 111 to taxiway Echo 5 Bravo 4 Mike 2 Papa 1 taxi Dublin Tower Shamrock 146 is going missed. Shamrock 146 contact Dublin approach on 119.55.
Ready to go.
119.55 Shamrock 146
Approaching 3-4.
City 104, you can contact 135.650 Airborne for the early turn.
On
Wind
runway
check 3,
28.
service wind check 20013, clear takeoff runway 28.
Ryanair 27 Uniform Juliet, wind 270 at 11, runway 28 cleared for takeoff.
Runway 28 cleared for takeoff. Ryanair 27 UJ.
Set takeoff thrust.
Runway 28 runway 28 Shamrock 595
Tower City 935 and final for runway
Thrust
28.
set.
City 935, clear to land runway 28, QNH 1025.
Clear to
80
land
knots.
runway
Check.
28, QNH 1025, City 935.
Make straight in runway 28 QNH 1025
V1.
Make straight in
V1,
runway 28
rotate.
935
Cover to brake. Gear up.
Departure Ryanair 27 UJ with you.